In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up and use Threads on your mobile device. So Threads is a very similar application to Twitter, apart from it's created by Meta. So to go and start using this, we first just need to open up the App Store on your mobile device, and then using the search box, just go and search for the word Threads and click on search. Now scroll down and click on the download button to go and install this. Once it's finished installing, we can press open to go and open up the application. Now you'll be prompted to go and sign in with your Instagram account, and this will essentially connect your two accounts together. You can decide to use a different account at the bottom here, but I'm just going to go and sign in with my Instagram. Now if this is your first time signing into Threads, then you'll get this setup experience here. So decide whether you want a public or a private profile. So this works in a similar sort of way to Instagram. So if you want other people to be able to find and see your content online, you can select public profile. But if you just want to keep your content to your followers and to your friends, then we can go and select private and then click on next. Then click on join Threads at the bottom of this window. So this is essentially the home screen on Threads, and what you can do here is just scroll down the feed, and if you like any of these posts, you can click on the heart button to go and like this post. You can also click on the comment icon to go and send a reply to this thread. And finally, you can click on this reshare button and you can go and repost this to your own Threads timeline. You can also click on the share icon at the very end here, and you can go and share this to either your Instagram or to other social media applications. Now to go and start following accounts, you can click on the search box in the bottom navigation and then just go and search for the person that you're trying to find on Threads. Once you've found someone that you want to follow, just click on the follow button next to their profile. And then if I click back on the home button, you can see that currently I'm on the For You page. So this is just content that's being suggested to me. But if I click on following in the top navigation, that's going to show all of the content from the people that I'm following. Now to go and start creating your own threads, just click on your profile icon in the bottom right hand side. Then click on this button here to create a thread. And then you can just go and type out the content for your thread, what you want this to say. You can also attach videos and photos as well by clicking on the gallery icon and just allow full access to your camera roll. And then you can go and select the photo or video that you want to upload. You can click on anyone can reply and quote at the bottom here, and you can select who's able to go and see this post. So typically it's going to be set to anyone, so this is going to be a public thread. But if you just want your followers or your friends to be able to see this, then you can go and select that from the list and click on post. Now, once you've created your thread, people can come and interact with that thread you've now posted. If you need to make any changes to your account, click on the edit profile button. And then from here, you'll be able to set up things like your bio and also if you want to add links to your page. And it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.